Hello guys, I have merged this video to the first video, so here's a short PDF on it. August 15th Independence Day on India. India's Independence Day on August 15th commemorates the end of British rule in 1947. The day is a national holiday in India and celebrated all over the country. This is also the day when India and Pakistan were divided into two separate countries. On August 15th, you find tricolor flags and buntings, balloons everywhere, while buildings of national importance are illuminated. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort, New Delhi. Families and friends get together for lunch or dinner or for a picnic. Homes are decorated with saffron, white, and green, the colors of the Indian flag. Thank you. Bye bye, guys. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Amod Pro, and I wish you all happy Independence Day. So I have made a PPT on Happy Independence Day. Independence Day, 15th August 2021. India. Independence Day is celebrated by the people of all religions, cultures, and traditions with great joy and happiness. Independence Day in India is observed on 15th of August every year from 1947 as our country became independent on the same day from the power of British rule almost after 200 years of slavery. The whole nation is all set to celebrate the most important milestone in India's history as the 75th Independence Day is just around the corner. Independence Day marks the occasion when India finally achieved freedom against Britishers on 15th August 1947 that I have said in the last slide also, but I have also mentioned in this slide. National Festival is a reminder of the countless sacrifices of our leaders and freedom fighters. Every year on this day, India's Prime Minister unfurled the national flag Tiranga or tricolor on the Red Fort. This year as well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hoisted the tricolor and addressed the nation from the Red Fort. For the unversed, the national flag came into existence after a series of modification and developments. This year, the theme of the celebrations would be Nation First, Always First. Narendra Modi has addressed the national form from the Red Fort. The Olympians who won medals at the Tokyo Olympics would get will had got special invites for the event. Below, check out a few interesting facts about the national flag of India. India's first national flag was hoisted in the Parsi Bagan Square or Green Park of Kolkata, then Calcutta. On 7th August 1906, it was made of three horizontal stripes of green, yellow, and red colors top to bottom. The red strip had a sun and crescent, while the green strip had 8 lotuses. The second flag was unfurled in 1907 by Madame Kama and her band of exiled revolutionaries. The second flag was similar to the first one. However, a few changes were done on it. The color of the strips was changed with saffron on the top, yellow in the middle, and green on the bottom. The lotuses were changed with stars on the top strip, and the positions of the sun and the crescents were also interchanged. In the 1917 The third modification of the national flag was hoisted by Dr. Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak during the Home Rule movement. On the third flag, five red and four green horizontal strips were alternately arranged. It had the Union Jack on the left-hand top corner along with seven stars in the Saptarishi configuration. In one corner, a white crescent and star were also placed. An Andhra youth in 1921 showed a new design of a flag to Mahatma Gandhi during the All India Congress Committee session. It had two colors, red and green. The red color represented Hindus while the green color was for Muslims. Gandhi then suggested him to add another strip of white color in order to represent all the remaining Indian communities. The idea of adding a spinning wheel to the design was also given by Gandhi as a symbol of nation's progress. Then, in 1931, the resolution of adopting a tricolour flag as India's national flag was passed. It had three stripes of saffron, white, and green top to bottom, along with the spinning wheel in the center. While people were fine with the strips, they objected the inclusion of a spinning wheel, reasoning that it had no communal significance. At last, the Constituent Assembly adopted Free India national flag on 22 July 1947. So that's why I have underlined it uh, to take it very seriously. After that, the color stripes and significance of the Indian national flag remained the same after the independence. However, Emperor Ashoka's Dharma Chakra replaced the spinning wheel as the flag's emblem. India achieved Independence Day from British rule on 15th August 1947. This is I have repeated third time, but there is some additional things. This year marks the 75th anniversary of the culmination of our freedom struggle. As we commemorate the occasion, let us take a look at the history and significance of this date. So let's go to the next slide. History of Independence Day. The British had ruled over India for almost two centuries, starting from 1757. But the Indian independence movement had gained strength for years with the demand of Purna Swaraj or complete independence from the colonial rule echoing in the streets. The emergence of leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave power to the freedom struggle. Finally, the British decided to leave India, transferring power back to the country. Lord Mountbatten, the Viceroy of India, had been given a mandate to finish the transfer of power by June 1948. However, Mountbatten decided that the British would leave early. The Indian Independence Bill was introduced in the British House of Commons on 4th July 1947 and passed 2 weeks later. The bill declared that British rule of India would end on 15th August 1947. It also led to the establishment of India and Pakistan as independent nations. Significance of Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, as India transitioned into an independent nation, the first Prime Minister of the country, Jawaharlal Nehru, addressed the nation and unfurled the Indian tricolor at the Red Fort. Since then, the tradition has continued. But that's not the end. Here's a list of here's a list of countries that neighbor to India, and here are their independence days date. October China, 17th December Bhutan, 20 September Nepal, 14th August Pakistan, 26th March Bangladesh, 4th January Myanmar, 4th February Sri Lanka, 19th August Afghanistan. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. So I had to tell that I had also got a small PDF on it, so I will show you and merge this video with that one. So you have to be calm. After that I will show you a very interesting video. Thank you.